Hey, what is up guys, it's Sosan here, and today we are going to be unboxing a fidget cube, of all things. Alrighty, so let's just get right into this. Snip that piece off. See if we can get it down the middle here a little bit. Alright, there we go. Oh, there's lots of stuff in here. Okay, so let's see what this is. Okay, so this is just me. The order like that. Just take that off to the side. Oh yeah, I ordered this too. Little prism for the cube. Oh. Okay, there's definitely some stuff in here. Or it could just be that little keychain. Alright, keep your face on at all times. Let's see. Yeah, hopefully you guys can read that too. But we'll just put that off to the side for right now. And here it is. Well, air cushions. Alright. You can see. Okay. Looks a bit better. Encased in this here bubble wrap. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, hang on. This bubble wrap kept your features safe. I'll show you take a moment to treat yourself on top of you. I think I will. Alright, that's enough of that. Oh man. It's pretty tape on it. Is it connected to this thing, or is it just... Oh. Okay then. I don't want to break off that sticker. Hang on. Oops. Can I slip it out? Yeah. Alright, here it is. I like this casing here. It just looks kind of premium in my opinion, with the, you know, well, not really glass, like plastic covering surrounding and stuff like that in center place. Let's see. You can spin, you can glide, click, all that other fun stuff. So let's just well, there's a little bit of tape here. Okay, remove that, stick it on that. Some here too as well. Let's remove this. Any over here? Okay, is there any? It doesn't look like it. Also, if you can't tell by now, I did get this from Antsy Labs, or Antsy Labs, yeah. Just because it seemed a lot more premium and a lot more official than the other places. Can we... I don't want to like break it or like damage it or whatever. I like this casing. Just wondering, how do I pull it out? Is there anything else to it? Like, I'm worried there might be... I don't feel any like tape or anything like that. Oh, okay. How? Hang on a minute. Alright, so I finally got it off. We basically just had to squeeze the bottom part and it came right off. Okay, it's obviously stuck there. Well, not stuck, but hang on. It just seems like one thing after another, right, guys? Those are obviously where the buttons are. Can I? Well, first. I don't know, like, the reason why I'm being so cautious and careful is just because I don't want to damage this thing. I just got it, you know? Alright. There we go. So here's the fidget cube itself. Got the little ball here. Hopefully it's focused in. Little gears. Doesn't feel as smooth as I would like it to be. I'm sure you guys can hear that. This feels pretty good. Pretty cool. Little touchstone here. Buttons. Silent ones. Clickable ones. Alright, nice. And this is the stand that it was on, so let me see. Okay. Okay, so it was just kind of like holding down this. This is like the little carrying pouch that it comes with. Pretty cool, I feel. Oh. Not really a sticker, just like a little, I guess a little visual representation of what it would be like if you put it in. So let me just slip this in here. And yeah, just like that. Pretty cool in my opinion. But I also got this, the prism. Kind of just something for you to put your fidget cube on, for it to protect it somewhat. Hang on a minute. Want to be careful, want to be careful. Alright, here we go. It's ripping a little bit. That's fine. Okay, have this come off of here. That. And then. Oh. Okay. Out comes the prism. I don't know if I'm honestly gonna use this that much. Okay, there's a little thingy there. I'm suspecting that's probably where you put it. Hang on. Let's see if we can get this into there. I'm honestly not sure where actually put it. Hang on. Okay, I'm looking at this. I don't like the analog stick. I mean, sure, it probably won't be as smooth or as fluid as the you know, PlayStation controller or any other controller for that matter, but I don't know if this is where... I don't know. But yeah, this is pretty much is the setup right here. And actually, I do have a fidget spinner, right here. I don't know, like, I don't know which one's better. Like, I mean, this one's pretty cool, obviously, because, you know, spinning and stuff like that. But you could spin this one too a little bit. Maybe not as much, but, you know, it has a few things you could do here. But yeah, I'd say they're both fun in their own regard. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Tell me what you guys thought. Did you guys like this unboxing? Did you guys hate this unboxing? What do you guys think of fidget cubes or fidget spinners? Which one do you guys like more? And yeah, so until the next one, guys, Silver Sun is out.